on, guys? Hoping you're doing fine like I am here. So today I have 10 business ideas for students. How about that, guys? How about that? So I figured this could be helpful to students. Maybe you're in college or university and you know students have so much free time. So these are business ideas that you can do as a student. These are ideas that I saw people do back then when I was a student and I thought they could be of help. So I compiled ideas that I know will most definitely work on you guys. So watch this video till the end if you're interested, and smash the like button because you know it's gonna be a late video. So the first business idea is tutoring. You become a tutor. That is, you look for students, high school students or primary school students, and tutor them. I saw people make so much money with this. What you're going to do is make sure that by the time they're out of school, you're done with your schoolwork so that you can tutor them maybe from around 5 to 8 or something of that sort. And after that, you're good, you get your good money, and from 8 you're free, you can do your assignments. Tutoring was actually the best idea because the money comes so easily. Of course, you know high school work. You remember high school work or primary school work depending on the student that you have, and it doesn't waste your time because these are hours that you're free that you could be wasting somewhere. Use those hours and make some money, okay? Online tutoring is also good, although it's not easy to get clients. So look for kids out there in the area that you're learning, that your school is located, and tutor them, okay? The second business idea, I know many students do this, is online writing. The reason why most students love online writing is because you're doing assignments for other people in most cases, and you know some of these courses are so easy. I don't know why watu wa majua wataki kufanya. Maybe they are busy or something. Some of the questions are so easy. You get paid maybe around 1,500 per every work done. You can complete work within 1 to 2 days depending on how fast you are and how busy or not that you are. So you can start online writing. You don't have to kill yourself with so much workload, but it's a very good idea. I have seen people make so much money with online writing. Teach yourself to write. Teach yourself those styling methods that you need to type with, and you'll make so much money with it, guys. The third idea that I saw people make so much money with is pool for the guys, that is. I saw boys opening pools for people to play. They made so much money because before you play pool you have to insert 20 shillings or something, and you know within a day you can imagine every time pools zenye zinakuanga tu, they are always busy. If you've noticed that, guys, people in campus play pool so much. So if you start your own pool, you're definitely going to make money. If not, you can start a movie shop. A movie shop will always bring money. People watch so much in campus. People love following series and everything. You can start a movie shop and I can assure you, you will make so much money. Another idea is a gaming shop. I don't know, but guys usually love these gaming shops. Guys usually spend the whole day playing. I have never been interested to know the games they play, but if you start a gaming shop, guys, you're definitely going to make money. Ask those campus boys, they always spend their money and their time playing games in campus. So you can start your own game shop, and one thing that is for sure, it's not going to be idle. It's going to have so many people playing there. So start yours and make money, you know, get that cash. The next idea is to become an M-Pesa agent. What I mean is you don't need a shop. You only need to be an agent. So this is how I used to see people do. You'd find somebody with an M-Pesa line and then they would come with it to class and we would send and receive money through that agent. Like, we would do all our transactions with them, because of course you want to promote your classmates now. So if your class doesn't have an agent, or if your school doesn't have, actually in our school there was only that one guy and everybody knew him, so you'd find people from other classes coming to transact with him. So all you need to do is market yourself very well. The guys will always come. You know, there are those betting sites that they do, and you have to put money in your M-Pesa. Like, becoming an M-Pesa agent is quite a thing in campus. You're going to make so much money with it, guys. Another idea that you got to start is starting a fast food joint. It's going to be so useful to comrades, and it will also make you money. You don't need to sell so much. All you need to sell is chips, smokies, juice. You can blend mango or passion. We don't need so much juice. And maybe chicken, only that. All those things can be deep fried, so you won't need even so much fire. You will need cooking oil only, and some, you know, a good room for students to eat. You're going to make so much money with that. Next business ideas, guys, is photography. Photography has become a thing in Kenya right now, and college students or university students really love photo shoots. I don't know why, but people love photo shoots. So buy a camera and start working immediately. You're going to get so much money, especially during the weekends. And the thing is, you'll only need to market yourself so that people will know that you are doing the business. Photography will make you money, guys. Per photo, they usually charge 30 shillings for a soft copy, and you'll find people taking more than 20 pictures in one photo shoot. All you need is a camera and a special memory card, because you're going to have so many photos. Or you'll have so many people coming to ask for photography, and you'll make so much money. Every weekend you can make around 5,000, by the way, guys. I'm not kidding. Those people make so much money. Next business idea is opening a clothes boutique. Campus students wanapenda kungara, you know, so you'll be satisfying their interest and yours as well, because you are a campus student. You know what they want, you know the clothes that they wear. So if you start a boutique in campus, guys, you'll make so much profit. And the good thing with clothes is they have so much profit. You'll buy a cloth at 500 and resell it at 1,000, 100% profit, you know. So you can start a clothes business or a boutique, and you'll make so much money. In connection to that, you can sell shoes also. You know the kind of shoes they want. Most students wear rubber shoes and doll shoes, those flat shoes. Those ones will go. So if you want to make money, you don't even need a shop, guys. All you need is to buy those clothes and take pics of them, post in your WhatsApp, post in your Facebook, post in your WhatsApp groups, and you'll make so much profit with them. So yeah, another video idea is to become a blogger. Yeah, you can be a blogger. You'll be paid, you'll be hired by people to blog for them. I know students in campus are idle sometimes, so when you're idle, you can blog. Or you can also become a vlogger, post videos about your school, about anything on YouTube. You don't know, you might grow and start making money just like that. So you can become a vlogger. Keep yourself busy with vlogs, doing videos that you enjoy. Show us your skills. Just show us anything. You might be making money at the end of the day, you know. Yeah, another business idea is selling cosmetics. For this one, you also don't need so much. All you need is some maybe earrings, lipsticks, lip gloss. I have seen people carry them actually in their bags and sell them to us. You can go around the hostels or somewhere where people are many and sell to them. You don't need a shop. You don't need so much stock. All you need is some few pieces of earrings, some few pieces of lipsticks, lip gloss, and everything, you know. All the things that campus students use. Look at the things that campus students use more regularly and try selling them, guys. You can make so much money in campus if you're creative. So these are some of the ideas that I compiled, and in case I remember more, I'm going to share them with you guys. And in case you're doing any of these ideas, comment down below. Tell us how it's going for you. Also, in case you have more ideas, share with us in the comment section down below. We are going to appreciate this. And I really enjoyed making this video, guys. Hoping you also enjoyed. If you did, like this video so that I'll know that you enjoyed it, okay? Yeah, and that's it for today's video, guys. You can watch my other videos on how to make money just in case you need more tips. And hoping to see you in my next video, guys. If you've not yet subscribed, please do so that you won't miss in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.